21 shares. So we've been reading about 21 shares lately. They dropped some ETPs on the German bourse. They did the application. Right. They filed a Solana ETF application 2 days ago here in America. So these guys, 21 shares, it seems to me that what these guys are doing is between Europe and America, they want to offer kind of every investment vehicle they can think of, well, particularly ETPs and ETFs. An ETP is the same thing as an ETF. Okay, so in Europe, they're called ETPs. It's basically the same thing. Yeah, there's different tax implications and different bullshit, but just think of it as the same thing. It's a basket of assets, which is all a fund is, right? And so, and that's what these ETPs in Europe are. They're just basket of assets. They just choose to call them something different, but it's the exact same product in terms of an investment vehicle, a basket of assets. And so 21 shares has been rip-roaring all across Europe and Canada. Europe and America. And, well, and Canada probably. I'm just kidding. I haven't heard anything out of Canada. And so, bang, here's another one. And this one, though, what makes this one so let me read the title. 21 shares introduces Ethereum staking ETP on the London Stock Exchange. Bang! We don't worry about prices. But look at this. 21 shares on the stock exchange. But the thing I love about it is this is a staking ETP. This is a staking ETP. In other words, if you own the shares of this ETP, you're going to get passive income through the Ethereum staking facility. So very lucrative, very attractive. This is a very attractive investment opportunity. If I'm anybody, whether I'm a corporation, an organization, an institution, I would love to invest in something like this. Because you're not only getting the value of the Ethereum as they go up and down in value, but you get the locked-in staking rewards. In other words, you're getting the passive income of the staking, and that alone can offset even the losses in the true value of the Ethereum itself. Right? If I have this much Ethereum, well, I get staked out that much per month. And if Ethereum goes down in value, fine, but I'm still making more money. Right? I'm still making this fraction here. And as long as you keep that chunk of Ethereum, you keep making that amount. Right? Whether it goes up or down in value or not. Right? And so this is a great investment opportunity. Look, if I have, I do. I have a lot of British viewers. And European viewers, really, actually, Europeans more than British. But if you're a British viewer watching me, yeah, get into this shit. Get in this shit. You're going to get the staking plus the up and down movement of Ethereum, which over time will be obviously bullish. We're obviously bullish on it on a long-term basis. So, all right, so let's check it out. 21 shares has launched the Ethereum staking ETP on the London Stock Exchange. Bang! The move could potentially... all right, whatever. Ethereum's priced to 4,000. We've been over 4,000 already. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about price yet, guys. Not quite yet. Soon, but not yet. You've been saying that for years, Shomari. I know, but it's still... I've been saying it for years, but because it stays true for years, brothers. I'm not just saying it just to say it. You know me. I never lie to you. All right, look. The 21 shares Ethereum staking ETP, AETH, is 100ly. So 100ly. Shomari, man, you've been drinking too much. Look. I'm telling you, this fuel is nice. This fuel is nice. I've been making money this week on the British pound against the yen. Maybe I'll show you guys later. All right. If I can. I don't know if I have it set up to show you guys my trades. Anyway, we'll look. So I'll check it out. Physically backed by the Ethereum ETF, or ETH. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap is designed to track the performance of ETH, Ethereum, while delivering reinvested staking yields for enhanced returns, right? Enhanced returns. I don't want just the returns of the Ethereum. Yeah, I want that staking too, right? A two-piece chicken. So with the longest track record of any physical Ethereum product on the market, AETH stands out as a reliable investment option. Recent development and some market impact. So 21 Shares recently announced that their premier Ethereum staking ETP is now available on the London Stock Exchange. This update aligns with recent news from CNF highlighting Ethereum's value surpassing $2.4 thousand. This surge is influenced by ARK Investment and 21 Shares updating their spot Ethereum ETF proposal to mirror the structure of recently approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. And that's what they're saying. So that the price of Ethereum lately has been kind of propped up because everyone is, well, not everyone, but a bunch of people are applying for spot Bitcoin ETFs here in America. So that's what they're saying. I don't agree with that because we just saw that the price of, as we can see right now, I'll show it to you right now. Bang. Holy, the delayed bang. Hold on one second. Right, as you can see, the price of Ethereum is getting crushed like everything else. So, so I don't agree with the statement, but I don't just read stories I agree with to you guys. You know what I mean? This is not a dictatorship. I don't read only what I tell you. I read what, sort of popular people in the industry tell you. And so I'm just saying I don't agree with what that guy just said, but, whatever, it's up to you to decide who's right and who's wrong. All right, so can AETH propel Ethereum price to 4K? No, because it's already been there before this thing. So, but with the launch of the 21 Shares Ethereum staking ETP on the London Stock Exchange, there's significant potential for Ethereum's price to rise. The ETP's unique features, such as tracking the performance of ETH and delivering the staking yields. Bang! That's the chicken. That's the chicken of the whole thing. That's the chicken, right? Sometimes in life you get the chicken, sometimes you only get the feathers. Well, when it comes to this ETP, that's the chicken. You're going to get the yields, no matter what, right? So, and we all know, just come on, you have a brain, right? The Ethereum blockchain is going to continue to rise over time in the long term, right? So this is a great means to not only to expose your portfolio to the price of the gains in Ethereum, but also to give you passive income through staking it, right? And this offers, obviously, bang, attractive returns. So all my UK brothers and sisters, looking at you, Elise, in Wales. Come get some, girl. So look, the reinvested staking yields capped at 1.63. Enhance the so they're capping the yields you can make. So you can only yield 1.63. Well, for you and I, for a regular person, that might not be much. But if you're an institution, and I've got clients that want to get in, and I put in, I don't know, $5 million, 1%, 1.63 of $5 million is what? So I'm a small little fund. I'm just a small fund putting in $5 million. I'm trying to calculate the staking for that. What is that, about 50,000? Wait. No. Yeah, about 50,000 a month I'd be making my client. Wait, is 50,000? Anyways, think of a $5 million hedge fund, or sorry. A hedge fund putting $5 million into this, and you'd get 1.63 a year guaranteed, right? Because that's staking. My math sucks, but do the math, and that's just guaranteed money. And then also you're getting the price of the Ethereum itself. So the underlying ETP asset is kept in cold storage with an institutional-grade custodian, offering superior protection and security. This could attract more institutional investors, driving demand. And that's what matters. Bang! That's what matters. Bang! Institutional investors, because institutional investors, yeah, they'll be putting in like, okay, let me do it again. $10 million in this thing. All right, $10 million is $163,000 a year in just the in just the yield, right? So, do the math. Blah blah blah. As investors flock to AETH for its reliability and performance, the increased demand for Ethereum could significantly boost its price, positioning AETH as a key player in Ethereum's market growth. All right, that's just a bunch of bullshit. Oh, actually, that's not bullshit. Let me read that to you. According to 21 Shares, with AETH, investors can access staking yields with the benefit of professional risk management while avoiding the need to lock assets. And that's the beauty, right? Like, you don't have to put your own Ethereum up, and you're getting the yields. Those yields, in the traditional stock market, we call those dividends. Dividends. Like, for instance, I'm a VeChain holder. I own 4 million VeChain, right? And so VeChain, for every million, they pump out these things called VTHOs to me, right? I get paid these VTHOs. It's just passive income. It's tiny, but it's just for hodling them, right? So if VeChain goes down or up, well, it doesn't really matter. I'm getting paid on the amount that I hold, right? And so that's what really matters. The VTHOs is what I spend or what I convert into. Well, what I usually do is every 6 months, I look at how much VTHO I have. I convert that into Bitcoin, and then I move that to Coinbase, and then I buy other shit with it, right? So it allows me to keep accumulating other stuff, without having to kind of use, money that I've earned kind of through Forex trading or something like that. And that's how you should do it too. And that's what this thing enables you to do, is that you're going to earn money through the staking. Yeah, well, when you earn money through staking, you can now go and buy, you can cash in the staked portion and go and buy other assets, right? In other words, if you've got a whole bunch of Ethereum, right, you can now go and just stake it, and all the money that gets pumped out of it, all right, you take that and you buy more crypto, whatever it is, some Pepe, some Dogecoin, some Solana, some whatever. Right, but this block you have just keeps pumping out money. That's called passive income. This creates you the income. As long as you have this chunk of money here, it's going to pump you out income. And then you take that income, and now you go and buy revenue-generating product, which will thus drive up the value of your portfolio. Right? And so that's what the beauty of something like this is, of an investment vehicle such as this. And what's so good is that it's on the London Stock Exchange. So this is no joke. High net worth individuals, family offices, hedge funds, all those kind of cowboys, killers, they know now that they can do this. And we should see some good performance out of Ethereum going forward. All right, so let's get to the shout outs.